party people! How are you today? I'm Unikitty and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here and you like arty videos, please subscribe. In today's video, I'm going to be talking to you about Whimsical Week. But to do that, I'm going to hand you off to Olive.
Hello everybody, I'm Olive the Autumn Fairy, and I was created for a drawing challenge called Whimsical Week. Today, Unikitty will show you her thought process behind her illustrated design for today's prompt. And while she watercolors, you can listen to the next installment of the story.
Day 4 of Whimsical Week, almost halfway there. The prompt was Chocolate River. I looked on Google Images and I found a picture that was similar to this. It was a bird's eye view of a chocolate river and there were flowers and gumdrops and giant lollipops. And it made me think of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So I thought this would be a fantastical place to visit. I befriended the little unicorn. She told me her name was Luna, and we travelled happily down the path together. The sky was getting darker. Grrr. My stomach growled. I'm so hungry. I wish I had some food, I wished out loud. We kept walking, my feet hurting more and more with every step we took. Luna's horn began to glow, and then the ground shook vigorously, and I smelled something sweet. So I rushed towards it and found a ginormous chocolate river, surrounded by giant gumdrops and lollipops. Luna, where did this come from? I wondered with excitement. We both began to eat the lollies and drink the chocolate, until we grew very tired and fell asleep. Luna was glad they found a safe place to rest. As she drifted off to sleep, she thought to herself,
Eating all those apples and granting all those wishes was exhausting. I wonder what adventures tomorrow will bring.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked Olive's story, please like, comment and subscribe. If Whimsical Week seems interesting to you, please feel free to join, or if you're just interested in checking out the other artists' amazing work, you can also do that on Instagram. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the story and what you think will happen next. And I'll see you tomorrow in another video for the next installment of Olive's story. Have a creative day everybody, bye!